Inovus Medical has recently partnered with the Association of Laparoscopic Surgeons of Great Britain and Ireland, ALSGBI, to manufacture their widely known laparoscopic skills curriculum, LapPass. Inovus, as leaders in affordable, accessible and functional laparoscopic skills training, are bringing the LapPass curriculum to life through a standardised kit available for purchase through the Inovus website. The kits from Inovus allow you to perform all 5 of the core LapPass skills. These include the precision cutting, the precision suturing, the ligation task, the hoop stacking task, and the hoop threading task. So key to our partnership on LapPass with ALSGBI is the ability to standardise and bring the laparoscopic skills tasks in LapPass to market at an affordable price, and also by bringing in our highly realistic synthetic soft tissues into tasks such as the circle cutting and precision suturing task. All of these can be performed on the skills tasks in not only the full range of Inovus laparoscopic simulators, but any other laparoscopic simulators which people have either in their institutions or at home.